So the next topic is components. So data communication has 5 components. So you have a sender and you have the receiver. And this is the message you are going to pass between the sender and the receiver. So, and this side you have the set of rules you have to follow while you are sending the message from one side to another side. So this is called as a protocol. And this side also you have some rules which you have to receive. While you are receiving the message, you have to follow some rules. So this is also a protocol. So what are the 5 components? The components are the message, first one. The second one is sender, and third is receiver, fourth is transmission medium, and fifth will be the protocol. So what are the 5 components of data communication? So 5 components are sender, first is a message, sender, the receiver, and the medium which you are going to pass it, and the protocol. So these are the 5 components of data communication. First we'll see the message. What is a message? Message is nothing but it is an information to be communicated. So this is an information to be communicated. It may be in any form. So you can send the information message like a text, or you can send it in numbers, or you can send it as a pictures, audio format, or video format. Okay, so this is what the message is. So you can send the information in any format. You can send in text format or numbers format, or you can send in pictures format or audio format or video format. So this is what the message is. And what is a sender? Sender is a device. This is a device that sends the message. Okay, so this is a device. So from which you are going to send the message from one end to another end. So this example, it may be any computer, or it may be a workstation, or it may be a video camera, or handset. So it may be in any form, any electronic component. It may be in any computer you can send the information, or you can have any handset or mobile phone or workstation, or any video camera you can take. So any other form is called the sender. What is a receiver? This is a device that receives the information. So similarly, this side also, it may be any computer you can have, or you can have a workstation, or you can have a video camera, or you can have the handset on the other end. What do you mean by the transmission medium? So transmission medium is nothing but this is a physical path by which the message is sent from one side to another side. One side to another side. So this is a transmission medium. So this medium is through which you are going to send the message from sender to receiver. So what are the transmission medium? It may be twisted pair. You can take a twisted pair, or it may be a coaxial cable or fiber optic cable. So these are all the cables available. You can use any other transmission medium to send the information. And what do you mean by the last component called protocol? So protocol is nothing but, so while you are sending the information from sender to receiver, you have to follow some rules. That is called a protocol. Protocol is nothing but set of rules that govern the data communication. So you have to follow some rules. For example, if a person is speaking in German language, so this receiver will not understand. If the receiver doesn't know the German language, then he will not able to receive the information properly. So both of them should agree upon the format which they are going to send. That is called a protocol. So there are 5 components for data communication. That is message is the information which you are going to send, and the sender is a device which you need all these 5 components, and the sender is one which you are going to send the information from one end, and receiver is the one which you are going to receive the information, and you need a transmission medium where you are going to use any twisted pair or coaxial cable, any cables you are going to use it if it is a wired communication, and then you need a protocol, that is it will tell you the rules which you have to follow while you are transmitting the information.